What is up, LNS? What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. You probably know why you clicked this video. We're gonna be doing another mega unboxing. Yes, we're gonna be doing multiple sneaker unboxing, so stick around. Okay guys, as you notice, I'm speaking in English because I wanted other foreign viewers to watch this video as well so that they could understand what I'm talking about. But anyway, you're here to witness another mega unboxing. Yes, if you have been following our channel, you've seen a lot of multiple unboxing, probably a lot of heat pairs that we have been unboxing for the past few months. And for this month of February, we have another huge unboxing. But so this is gonna be a mix unboxing. Some of the sneakers that I'll be unboxing are new. Some of the sneakers are old, meaning it was released before, and I'm just gonna be unboxing. All of these are DS. So and then we have a couple of sneakers that are technically unreleased. It's been released already unofficially, but we were fortunate enough to have them. But anyway, let's start with the probably least popular sneakers, and then we build up the hype. So let's start first with these sneakers. This is as you can see, this is a Boost sneakers. This is actually a basketball sneakers, and it's called the Zone Boost. So I got this in one of the outlet shops that I visited recently, and here it is. This is called the Zone Boost in black. So boom. So as you can see guys, it has a black boost, almost a triple black, but it has hits of orange, and I think these, I'm not sure if these are reflective, but it looks silver. So yeah, this is the first sneakers. These are called the Zone Boost. I got this at a very reasonable price. So this is a basketball sneakers, fairly good looking basketball sneakers, a lot of good materials. Watch out for the review that I'll be doing for these sneakers as well. So I'll be probably uploading it sometime this week or probably next week. So yeah, this is the first sneakers that we are unboxing. So these are called the Zone Boost. The next sneaker that I'll be unboxing is another Adidas sneakers. And for most of you that knows this box, this is another collaboration by Adidas and Star Wars. And this is actually another basketball sneakers, and it's called the Harden Volume 4 collaboration with Adidas. So as you can see, it comes with this hologram card over here. Huge card, has a lot of writing at the back. I like the tissue paper with the details of Star Wars. And boom, here it is. This is the Harden Volume 4 Star Wars collab. So yeah, this is a very nice sneakers, especially for basketball. The midsole is really soft. I like it, and I got it at a very good deal also from the outlet shop that I visited recently. So yeah, here it is. So here's the other pair. See the Star Wars over here. Yeah. So this is the second pair, which is the Star Wars Harden Volume 4. Okay, so now we put it down. Now the next sneakers that I'll be unboxing is another Adidas, which I also bought from that outlet shop that I visited, and these are called Ultra Boost. So it doesn't look the same as some of the newer boxes of the Ultra Boost, but here it is. I'm not really sure, by the way, that's the sneakers. I'm not really sure what is this called, but it caught my attention. I like the colorway. See? This is an Ultra Boost Volume or version 2, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the other pair. I also got it at a steal price. So yeah, so okay, we're down 3 sneakers guys, and we still have, I actually have 5 more. Okay, so yeah, so far we have unboxed the Ultra Boost, the Harden Volume 4 Star Wars, and the Zone Boost. Now, the next sneakers that we will be unboxing are these. And actually, I have 3 of these. So let's start first with this one. This heavy box, man. Let me take this out first. So I'm kind of pissed because this is supposed to come with this strap around the sneakers, around the box of the sneakers. The other 2 pairs that I got didn't have the strap. Anyway, here it is. This is the Nike Adapt BB version 2. Boom. So as I mentioned, I have 3 pairs of these. Let me just get the other 2. Here's the other one. So let's unbox all 3 of them. Okay. So obviously it looks the same. Okay, so it has a very large 3M hip on the thumb, which I'm not sure if this will be approved by the NBA because as you know, the Yeezy Quantums was initially banned from the NBA because of all the trim hits, but look at this is full 3M on the thumb. So yeah, so that's number 2. Okay, let me push. Get the other one. And this is the third one. This is the third Nike Adapt BB. So you probably are asking why do I have 3? Actually don't know why, but I just felt like it's a good sneakers and I got this at a decent price. And actually I'm gonna be selling these. Okay, so yeah. Ooh. So yeah, so here are all the Adapt BBs that I have. The volume 2 or version 2.0. Mega unboxing, right? So we have a lot of this BB adapts. So now let's move on. We're going to be unboxing 2 more sneakers, and these are sort of unreleased. We've been seeing a lot of pairs of these on the market already. However, it's not yet officially released by Adidas. And yes, this is an Adidas sneakers, and here it is. This is a Yeezy, and it's a 380. And these are called actually the Mist. So boom, here it is. Here's the other pair. Okay, so yeah, so we are fortunate enough to get a pair of these early. So these are called the Yeezy 380 Mist. So this is the Mist colorway. So, but I'm not sure which one is better, this one or the Alien or the Mist. Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, let's move on to the last sneakers that we're gonna be unboxing for today, and this is another Yeezy, and this is a 700. And some of you probably know what is this or what colorway is this. So this is actually the 700 V3. This is called the Alba. So let me just open it. Boom. The other pair. So yeah, guys, that's about it. These are the how many sneakers did I unbox? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sneakers that we have unboxed. 3 of them are the same, but the rest are different. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this another mega unboxing by Lifestyle Sneakers. And guys, just to remind you, we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away 20,000 worth of sneaker unboxing. We will have 2 winners, 20,000 pesos, or in US dollars, it's roughly about probably $200 per person worth of sneaker shopping. So if you want to join this giveaway, please check out the description box down below. Anyway guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.